the short-term capital gains for equity shares by Ram. So Mr. Ram is a salaried employee in the month of December 2017. He purchased under equity shares of X Limited at 1,400 rupees from recognized stock exchange called BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. So the total cost would be 1,400 into 100, which is 1,40,000 rupees. And then he sold the same thing in Jan 2018 for 2,000 rupees per share. So 2,000 into 100 results 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees minus 1,40,000, 60,000 rupees minus he paid 1,000 rupees as brokerage. So 60,000 minus 1,000, 59,000 rupees is the gain. So we will try to calculate the tax. We will try to fill this detail in the ITR2 form. Before that, I need to tell that these things are considered as a short-term capital gain because he bought and sold the equity-oriented shares from a recognized stock exchange within 12 months. So that's the reason why we treated it as short-term capital gains. Now we will try to fill those information in ITR2 form. So for that we need to select the second section from sale of equity share or equity oriented mutual fund or unit of a business trust on which STT means security transactions tax is paid under section 11A. And then full value of consideration is 2,000 into 100, which results 2 lakh rupees, and the total value of cost is 1,40,000 rupees. Total brokerage 100 rupees. So it resulted 59,000 rupees as capital gains. So if we scroll down to the bottom, we will see the tax rate for the gains 59,000 rupees. The tax rate would be 15% of 59,000 rupees. Here we need to make sure that this is for equity oriented shares, so the tax rate is flat 15% irrespective of your income tax slab.